this is Irene Salazar, and together with Trixie Sandigan and Ken Sulaiva, we will be showing you the development and testing of UI and UX for IT application on Raspberry Pi using Python Tkinter packages.
So here are the objectives. So first is to design a user interface or UI and user experience or UX of the proposed system architecture. Second is to utilize the platform programming by installing and importing the leading UI or UX Tkinter packages. And lastly is to implement the necessary aesthetics or looks and feel of the design or images and colors effects.
So first things first, to install the Python Tkinter, you have to command sudo apt-get install Python. Hit enter. Then to check if it's successfully installed, just command python 3 space dash dash version. As you can see, it's successfully installed. So let's proceed to.
So after installing the Python, we have to proceed to programming and then open the MUID or compiler. Since we already have a code, we all have to do is to drag the code to the compiler and then run. So we have created here our simple calculator with our arithmetic operations and fractions. So will example some arithmetic operation and fractions so you guys can see if our program is working, if it's really working. So that would be all our presentation. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye everyone, guys.
Bye.